day 2. Jamie's very hungover in an extreme level because he took advantage of the free bar way too much and had like too many drinks, cocktails, beers, and obviously because I'm pregnant I couldn't have any drinks, which I don't care because I didn't really drink much anyway before I was pregnant. I had like Fanta lemons, orange Fanta, a mocktail, orange juices, things like that. Like, there's still loads of choices. Oh boy, this is a big step. But yeah, today we've just explored a new beach that we're at now, and then we're gonna head back, and when the bar opens I'm gonna get a Diet Coke or something. We had breakfast but I forgot to film it. I had the same as yesterday pretty much, but a little bit less food because I want to eat less today. Anything else? No. Yeah, the entertainment tonight's going to be something different. Dancing. So we'll see. Just there is our room, so that's our balcony, just there. And then over here is kind of where we go to the restaurant, and then there's like a bar with a pool that you saw yesterday that we'll go to in a second. We're just going to see if she's cleaned our room. You can tell it's not very sunny. Jamie's learned his lesson from yesterday. Put some cream on. I've just had a shower and dried my hair and done my makeup. I accidentally did my eyeliner a bit too big. You know when you have to do one side and then make the other one match and then go back again and then back, blah, blah, blah. But yeah, we're gonna go for lunch, so hopefully I'll remember to film it this time. Me and Jamie are at the bar. I got slushy, Jamie got slushy. He hasn't had a drop of alcohol today. Lessons learned from yesterday. They didn't give us a straw though, so we have to drink it out like this. You look like you're going to sleep.
No.
We're just heading out for tea. I've got changed. Oh, shut the door. Yeah. Each night they do something different, so we'll see what they do tonight. Oh, my voice is gone. But I'm wearing this dress I haven't worn in years. You can see the baby. Got dressed again. Well, technically not, I put my hoodie on. We're gonna go to the entertainment now, aren't we?
Yeah.
What are they doing?
Dancing.
They're dancing. I'm gonna get a Diet Coke, I think. Watch some YouTube for a bit to chill in the room. But yeah, it's been a chill day. Jamie's feeling a little bit better, aren't you? Yeah, he was very poorly this morning. That's why you don't drink too much in one go. You spread it out, because at the end, in the end you end up ill. It's pointless. We've got these blankets that we can take down with us, that we got from reception, and basically when you sit and watch the entertainment, because it's outside, you can use a blanket and they're really big, so enough for 2 people. So I'm gonna take that down because I get cold, and if I'm cold, I'm not happy. It affects my enjoyment of the entertainment. I'd rather not go to the entertainment if I'm cold. Waiting for Jamie. You finished?
Yes.
Let's go. You got everything?
I do need a quick week.
Go for a quick pee.
Brazo extendido. Uno. Cabeza hacia atrás. Chuchu.
We're just on a trek to find a supermarket because Jamie's got a peckish, which is funny because we're at an all-inclusive, but obviously it's late at night, so there's no stuff here. He might get some crisps or something. And we played, I thought it was going to be just dancing, didn't you?
Yeah, I thought it was.
But it said it was like an interactive dance quiz. And when they said that, I was like, oh Jesus. Because I thought that it was going to be me, well not me because I would refuse, but I thought they were going to get people to like dance as part of the quiz, but it wasn't. It was like a quiz on Kahoot, which I used before at school, and it's like a quiz thing where you scan with your phone, and we was on the leaderboard a few times, or Jamie was, because I didn't want to put my name down in case I had to go up or something, because Jamie doesn't have anxiety issues, so he would do that, wouldn't you? Yeah, he would dance on the stage. But yeah, no, it was quite good. And I think I showed a clip of one of the like little dance routines that they did, but they did loads of others as well. But yeah, we're going to try and find this damn shop if it's open. Fingers crossed. We got some crisps. There was somewhere open. Jamie was happy. Right, that's the end of day 2. I'll film a separate video for day 3. Today's Sunday. Bye!